Galaw-gaw, kay harot-harot tingnan, maliksi, di mapigil ang gaslaw. Galaw-gaw, ang lahat ginagalaw, napakaharot at pakialaw.
So, nandito na si Engineer Roberto A. Lazada, Senior Consultant, Universal Robina Corporation. Hi, yes sir. Thank you for joining us.
I am with the GG Summit Group of companies. All of the power plants we go from where was the one who design, install, and operate. So the last one is the one in Sugar Central in Kabangkalan, which is a biomass power plant, 46 megawatt, and we were already exporting power to the grid of about 30 megawatt. So it's very, for us, it's very madaling kita. Diba? So, just a review regarding the nuclear energy. No? To the making of this fateful decision, the United States pledges before you, and therefore before the world, its determination to help solve the purple atomic dilemma, to devote its entire heart and mind to find the way by which the miraculous inventiveness of man shall not be dedicated to his death but concentrated to his life. That is by U.S. President Dwight Eisenhower, and this is the Bataan Nuclear Power Plant was a direct result of this intention. The Philippines committed itself to the peaceful use of atomic energy as of 1955 during the time of President Ramon Magsaysay. On July 27, 1955, the Philippines signed an agreement with the United States under the Atoms for Peace program. On October 26, 1956, 82 nations, including the Philippines, met in the United Nations office in Geneva, Switzerland, and established the International Atomic Energy Agency. The main objective of the agency are the encouragement and the development and practical application of atomic energy for peaceful purposes, including the production of electric power, with due considerations for the needs of underdeveloped countries of the world. In 1958, Republic Act 2067, known as the Philippine Science Act of 1958, was signed into law, creating the Philippine Atomic Energy Commission. In the years that followed, the Philippines, in cooperation with the United States and other international agencies, began a feasibility study on this Bataan nuclear project. In February 1976, a contract for the construction of the first Philippine nuclear power plant was signed into law. In 1984, the Bataan nuclear power plant was online and set to deliver 620 megawatt of electricity to the islands of Luzon. In 1986, the Bataan nuclear power plant and the Philippine nuclear power programs were shut down. Kawawa tayo. The Atoms for Peace seeks to revive the program for nuclear energy of the development countries as envisioned by the United States in the 1950s. It is the mission of this organization to provide the necessary intellectual and moral investigation to revive and shape the nuclear development program in order to allow each Filipino to enjoy the fruitful benefits of cheap, reliable, and long-term power generation. It is hoped that through this nuclear research and development, providing electricity to the power development projects, the Philippines may one day truly realize the dreams of true progress. You know, I presented this one to the Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers, and Engineer Larry Fonsalan told me that it is very informative, and actually a committee was formed headed by the late Engineer Antonio Herrera. This was the chairman of the Board of Mechanical Engineering before, and he was one of the members. They inspected the plant. We made a report and expressed our opinion that the plant was safe and made a recommendation that it will be operated. We were not heard. The engineers were not heard. A decision which I believe was more political in nature was made to mothball the plant. Sayang. Okay? This is actually the theory of a thermal power plant, yung ginagawa natin ngayon. So, the thermal power plant has the generator, has the steam turbine, and has the boiler. The boiler will produce steam. Huh? And the energy of the steam is used to turn and drive the turbine. Once the turbine is running, the generator will operate and electricity is being produced. Boiler, in a thermal power plant, a thermal power plant can be fueled with hardwood, which produces 1 kilowatt for 1 kilogram of firewood. Natural gas, 6 kilowatt per kilogram of natural gas. Coal, 3 kilowatt for 1 kilogram of coal. And heavy fuel, 4 kilowatt per kilogram. This is a thermal power plant fueled by hardwood, natural gas, coal, and biomass. Okay. A thermal power plant can be also be fueled by nuclear fuels, but it's still thermal. You have the boiler to produce steam. You have the turbine to turn the generator, and you have the generator to produce electricity. But the heat being used to generate steam comes from nuclear fuel. So, mas mabuti siguro, anuhin natin thermal power plant, hindi natin lagyan ng nuclear kasi ibang isip ng tao. Diba? So, thermal power plant fueled by uranium, natural uranium, 50,000 kilowatt for 1 kilogram of fuel, uranium. Lower enriched uranium, 250,000 kilowatt for 1 kilogram of
Yun ang gamit ng BNPP. 250,000.
Uranium with reprocessing, this is already used to uranium, 3.5 million kilowatt per kilogram of fuel. Then plutonium with reprocessing, 5 million kilowatt per kilogram of uranium. Okay? Next. So, the nuclear reactor, or a thermal power plant fueled by nuclear fuel, has components. One is the fuel, that is the uranium, the moderator, the control rods, coolant, steam generator, and containment. Very simple. Fuel rod, huh? This is uranium. This will produce heat from nuclear fission. Then you have the moderator, and you have the control rod. This control rod is the one that controls the heat. So once you put it down, there is less reaction because the nuclear fission is being absorbed by cadmium. And when you want more energy, you raise it up. Okay? Then you have the coolant. This is the most important because there must be always heat exchange to prevent overheating of the reactor. Then the steam generator and the containment. Okay? Safety containments of the Bataan nuclear power. Because of the fission process is radioactive, several barriers are built in every plant to protect against the release of radioactivity. So, safe talaga yan. Next, safety containments in the nuclear reactor. Containment number 1. The uranium is formed in ceramic pellets. The pellets which is sealed in the radioactive material. Then containment number 2. The fuel pellets are placed in the synchorium rods which act as a barrier against the release of fission products. This is the nuclear fuel of the Bataan nuclear power plant. You have the This is the Centurion rod. This is the Fuel rod. Huh? So, nuclear emission is eliminated. Containment. The core, where the fission process occurs, is located with a steel reactor and with in Bataan nuclear plant, it's about 8 inches thick. This is the reactor. Okay?
8 inches.
8 inches. Diba? Then containment, ito yung ano eh. Ito yung core, di ba? Airtight building, ha? And steel reinforced. Alam mo yung concrete dito, I was working in Apo Cement before. That is the best cement in Philippines. But they did not use Apo Cement. They use cement from United States of America. It's very safe. Ha? I don't know why. Ha? Talagang ano?
Ionic worry.
Talagang mataas ang safety ano ng Westinghouse. Okay? Then this is the construction of the Bataan Nuclear Power Plant. And actually containment number 5, ito yung ano eh. You know, there are two kinds of nuclear power plant. One is the boiling water reactor, the one in atomic submarine. And the one that we have is a PWR, which is a pressurized water reactor. So, ito yung sa boiling water reactor ito eh. Yung coolant will produce steam, then pabalik-balik, di ba? So, sometimes there are radioactive ng coolant. But in the PWR, the coolant, there is another one that is a separated exchanger to produce steam. So the heat from the nuclear reactor is being transferred, so it's very safe. You know, when I was in the South Pacific, because I was the head of the Energy Development Project of the United Nations, yung first 2 years, we have no power sa Kingdom of Tonga. Ang namin is the atomic submarine of the British. So doon kami nagmi-meeting, so nakita ko, madali pala ito mag-operate. If you want more power, raise the control rod. If you want no power during the night, the raise, put it down. So yung ganun ba? So it's very easy. So for us engineers, mechanical engineers, namin na bakit ayaw ng mga tao? Na madali yan mag-operate, mas mahirap pa mag-operate ng boiler na run with coal or run with I constructed a 46 megawatt biomass in Kabakalan. The pressure is 105 kg per cm square, very high. And the temperature is very high, 540 degrees C. Superheated. Superheated. So delikado sa explosion. But this one is only saturated steam. Hindi yan, superheated. This is about mga 0.25% moisture. So why afraid? And a power plant run by coal, it's very hard to control. If you want more power, you add more fuel. Once you add more fuel, you have to increase the induced drop fan. Why? Because you have increased the forced drop fan. Kailangan ng maraming hangin. Di ba? So ito, ano lang eh. Control lang. Baba. Oh. And in case of earthquake, in case of accident, the control rod will fall down. No more cut off. But you have to cool down 10% of your energy. Bataan Power Plant has 620 megawatt, so to cool down 62 megawatt of electricity. But you know, when we inspected the Bataan Nuclear Power Plant, because of the 3 Mart Island accident, President Marcos make sure that the nuclear was very safe. They increase the coolant pump.
Double ang safety.
Double
So,
redundant.
double ang redundant safety. So, bakit matakot tayo? Di ba? Mas madali mag-operate, it's very safe. Di ba? Okay? So, uranium, for the fuel rods, it's only 3%. Nuclear bomb, 90%.
97.
Di ba? 3% lang yan. Di ba?
Pagawa ka ng bomba.
Bomba, 90%. Ang purity.
The security.
Huh? So, this is the nuclear fission. Actually, when the fuel rod is being transported, there is no nuclear reaction. Wala pala. It's very safe. Hawakan, upuan mo, walang problema. But, when you start the nuclear power plant, parang sindihan mo. Ha? Sindihan mo. Di ba? Ha? Usually, it is beryllium mixed with polonium. Sindihan mo then, nuclear fission will start. Heat will be generated. Okay? It's safe. Okay? Sige. So, anyway, yan na. Environmental safety, you know, I was with the United Nations before. Ang ano namin is yung global warming 1980. Inano na namin yung global warming. In fact, I'm a lecturer of global warming. But nobody understand when I came back to the Philippines regarding global warming. Now, we are experiencing global warming because of the carbon dioxide emission by the power plants. Diba? Actually, our boss, Mr. Gokong, is very much committed on this one. In fact, in our sugar centrals, nagano kami ng fuel ethanol plant. Instead of wine, ginagawa namin 99% alcohol, and that is being used for addition ng fuel. So, there, para unleaded. Unleaded. 10% of that is alcohol. Then we put up our biomass power plant because our boss believed that in the biomass power plant, carbon emission is eliminated. Why? We burn bagas and we plant sugarcane. So the carbon dioxide emitted by our boiler is being absorbed by the sugarcane being planted. Okay? It's emission free. Next. Sige. Advantages? Of course. Advantages is for nuclear power plant, cost of electricity produced is very low. Importante. And it's very safe. And availability of uranium. Maraming uranium sa atin, hindi nyo alam. No. We have plenty. It was news. Andiyan sa ano? Sa Bicol. Di ba? Okay, nuclear accidents. This was already discussed. You already discussed this. 15 minutes lang ako. Okay?
Yeah.
Then, next, here. We inspected the plant in 2010. Yes. We wrote a letter to President Aquino.
Kasama media yan. Kasama yung media.
Oh,
Yung liga.
but they did not
Dito rin yan eh.
care us. Diba?
They did not bother.
I don't know.
Kasi,
Kasi,
Yung report pa, engineer, na i-turnover ba sa new administration?
Malacanang, hindi pa sila.
hindi pa, pero nabigay na namin itong presentation na to.
We've been requesting an audience for the president. Siguro wala eh. Hindi na
nobody.
Okay. The Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers were invited with PNRI to visit the Bataan Nuclear Power Plant on March 5, 2011 to give a technical opinion on the technical integrity of the plant. Leme Rojas was there. He was the past president.
Depende.
Edimar Salcedo and myself. Then, based on our technical visit, mga engineer na to, hindi mga abogado the Bataan Nuclear Power Plant, we firmly believe that the Bataan Nuclear Power Plant is safe to operate. Of course, minor renovations to be done. The stand of the Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers, we are about 45,000 members. Diba? Aside from being safe, the Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers support the operations for the following reasons. The Bataan Nuclear Power Plant, if operated, can save 3.9 million liters of bunker fuel per day, wherein carbon emission that cause global warming is generated. The cost of electricity will be about, our estimate before, about 2 pesos per kilowatt hour. Then, we need power.
Yan.
Because later on, we will be experiencing, alam mo, ano kami ng power plant ngayon, 600 megawatt doon sa ano namin sa Batangas. Hindi pa naaprubahan. Kasi medyo ano din sila sa global warming. So, medyo kulang na tayo ngayon ng later on. Wala nang power plant naman. We are very much interested. In fact, for this one, we are very much interested that it will be deployed. So, the following revisions, ito, yung main transformer, wala na doon. Wala na doon.
Scrap.
Ini-scrap nila eh. Pero, it's very easy. We can put it back. Bibili tayo ng bago.
Paano
Diba?
nila nakuha yun? Di ba malaki yun?
Malaki ha? Ewan ko.
Nasa LPCO.
Kinahoy.
Hindi naman pwede i-bursa yun.
Nag-leak daw.
Nag-leak.
Nag-leak daw.
Pero
Kaya
anyway,
binenta.
hindi na tayo magano, basta wala na.
Pero kaya ibalik.
Oo naman.
Hindi,
madali.
pwede babalik. Oo.
Madali.
How much will it cost?
Of course, the 620 megawatt is about 15,000 pesos per kilowatt installed. So 15,000 times 620,000. Division. Fuel rods. Wala na rin yung fuel rod eh. Binenta, di ba?
Presidente na
Yung
nagbenta
presidente
nun.
ni Aquino. Ni Noynoy.
Hindi, yan ino.
Hindi, kay Aquino
Tabako.
yun.
Tabako.
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 Tabako yan.
Ayaw ko lang. Basta wala na ano.
Okay.
Control rods. Andun pa yung control rods. There's no problem. Other accessories. Andun pa lahat. Demoralizer. Andun pa. Pero wala nang ano eh.
That was 2013, engineer.
This is
Doon kayo nag-inspection doon, di ba?
Yan sa 11.
Eh baka ngayon may mga nagtagpo na wala doon.
Hindi. Nagpunta kami doon. Okay lang.
Okay.
Yung na wala.
Of course, the electrical control, these are old one, no? Ang ano nun, pneumatic pa eh. Mga pneumatic instruments. So, ang ano namin, why not change it with mga electronic? The plant control room, cooling towers, okay pa yan, walang problema. Then, observation, the plant is properly maintained. Actually, it was properly maintained by the engineers of LPC. Bataan Nuclear Power Plant is very safe. Based on the technical assessment, here are some of the safety features in the plant that we notice. Major plant accessories, andun na, di ba?
Si Mauro.
Okay. Then, power plant supply. Actually, yung supply yung sa control, dalawang control panel sila eh.
Oo, dalawa.
So, pag sira yung isa, automatic transfer sa isa. So, walang problema. Redundant. Di ba?
Pati vibration
Oo,
redundant.
walang problema.
Tara, questions na.
Okay. Main reactor, ito may sige. Okay. I think.
Yan.
Yung questions, hindi na natin ano eh. Anyway, I will give you a copy of this one.
Yan.
We'll give you a
Yeah,
copy
good.
Of this,
Diba?
ano?
of this one.
Yes.
O para may ano kayo kasi.
Yeah.
Andyan din yung ano namin eh.
Maganda yan.
May mga question ng media din na we answer it.
Sa website
Kaya
ba yan?
lang kay Rhea yung...
Okay.
Hindi, pa-email na lang.
Ipa-email.
lang,
Okay?
Kaya kami ng
Si
email.
Gani yung nagtatanong nun eh. Si Gani.
Okay.
Kung meron ka ng copy.
We'll forward it to you.
Yes.
Di ba? Sige.
Okay, para makapagtanong yung ating mga kapatid.
Okay, para
Okay.
magkano pa.
Pwede USB meron.
Ha?
Okay. So these are actually the locations. This is from the NPC, ano eh.
Yeah.
Possible locations of nuclear power plant. Sa ito yung ano. Di ba?
All over the Philippines.
All over the Philippines. We can put here in Cotabato.
620 lang.
Mindanao.
17
Ayan.
megawatts.
Question.
Ha?
13 Malang ni Marcos.
Ito, during the survey
Ilang nuclear?
of
kung ito'y nasolve ito, tayo pinakamayaman sa Asia.
Dapat mo.
Actually,
Ito natuloy ito.
yung bata nuclear
Ito kay
sa
Marcos to.
gilid ng bata nuclear, meron
Kay
pang
Marcos
foundation
to.
sa isa eh.
Ano ni Marcos yan?
So you can put there 2 by 620 megawatt.
Now is...
Bali, ilan yung target area?
13.
Ako po si Mami Yet Robles, ang mami at babaeng lagalag. At ito ang aking balita, news, para sa kaalaman ng buong Pilipinas at buong mundo, North, East, West, South. Hanggang sa muli!
At pakialam, galaw-gaw, kung tawagin siya'y ganyan, kang karot, na trumpong tumatarang, galaw-gaw, nakalilito.